I'm so excited, yeah. I just had a delivery that I had. A big, square, relatively flat box. What could it be? Oh, I wonder. Shall we find out? I think we should. Yeah, no, not like that. No. Let's release the Kraken. Okay, release the tape. Right, let's see what's inside this box. I'm very curious and intrigued. That I am. Are you? You should be. If you're not, write me a letter. Okay, well, here we go. Okay, oh, not that way. All right, I think I got it right. All right, now what is in the box, I wonder? Oh, there's foam. Oh, we've got a longer, larger honeycomb for the B1 laser, for which I've got to put together. Oh, blimey, yes, we made a unboxing video of the actual longer B1 laser, which looks really impressive. I've yet to make the video to actually of the assembly of that laser, but I'm very grateful that they sent me the honeycomb of the right size this time. Because last time they sent me one that's too small for the laser. Yeah, it seems a bit silly. But there you go. These things happen, don't they? So check out my videos. But also, you see, I've got a new channel. Oh, yes, I've got a new channel called Zen Laser. And there'll be links in the description down below. And I'd really appreciate it if you just go down there and maybe subscribe to the channel and give it a bit of a leg up. Because it is new after all, you see. But on there we'll be uploading all the burn videos from the laser, so I don't overwhelm this channel with too much laser footage, because, yeah, that's not why you're here, is it? No. Toodaloo.